Yes, children.
Moving on, if 3 or more numbers are added together, the sum remains the same even if their grouping is changed. Yes, this is what we learnt about the associative property. Now here we are given a question. Yes, we are given a question. Add 2471 plus 1356 plus 4213. Yes, this is the first numbers. Yes, now again, as I said, these two numbers are inside the brackets, so we will add these two first. Now 2471 plus 1356 becomes 3827. Okay children, becomes 3827. Then we have the addition symbol. Then we have 4223. Yes. Now when we add these two numbers together, the resulting sum is 8040. 8040. Yes, this was the first part of the question. Now next part is add the same numbers. We are having the same numbers only, but the grouping is changed. See, in the previously 2000 and 1000 were in the same group, but here now 2000 has become single and 1000 and 4000 together formed a group here. Yes, the groups are changed. Now when we add these two, again 1356 and 4213 are inside the brackets. So we'll add these two numbers together. When we add these two, the resulting sum is 5569. Yes children, 5569. And we have 2471 also here. Now when we add these two numbers together, the resulting sum is 8040. 8040. Now what do we observe? What do you observe? We observe that no matter the groups are changed here, the answer we got is same. Yes, the answer we got for both the additions is same. What answer did we get? We got 8040 only in both the cases. So what can we say? We can say that 2000 this is equals to this. Yes, both the 2471 plus 1356 plus 4213 is equals to 2471 plus brackets open 1356 plus 4213. Yes children, we got the same answers, right? So we can put equal to between both the questions. Yes, when both the answers are same, that means both the questions are same, is equals to. We put equal to between both the additions. Yes, this was what? This was associative property of addition. Now moving on to the last property, which is the additive property of 0. This is very easy children. The addition of 0 with a number is the number itself. This property of addition is called additive property for 0. We know this, right? Whenever we add 0 to a number, the answer will be the number itself. See, whenever we add 0 to a number or we add a number to the 0. Yes, 7000 plus 0 or 0 plus 7000. However we add, the answer will be the same, which is 7000. Now this is called as our additive property of 0. If we add 0 to any number or any number to 0, the sum is the number itself. Clear students? This is very easy, right? We have already done this in the previous classes. Now what are they asking us? To add 1249 and 0. So 1249 plus 0 becomes the number itself, which is 1249. Yes, yes. So this is again, if this was one order, right? When we change the order, like we put 0 first and 1249 second. Now when we add 0 and 1249, the answer will be 1249 itself. We observe that the sum is the number itself. This is called as the additive property of 0. I hope this is clear, children. We learnt about 3 properties today: commutative, associative and additive property of 0. Now this is the self-check time. First question, fill in the blanks. First one is 2459 plus 1813 is equals to 1813 plus dash. See, how do we, when I let us say in this box I am having a ball and a bat. Okay, let us say in this box we are having a ball and a bat, which is equals to, in another box I am having only a bat. Okay, in the other box I am having only a bat. Now what should be added here to make these two equal? This ball. Yes, ball is missing here, so we'll get this, when we add ball to this box, both the boxes will be equal. In the same way, we are having 1813 here. The other number missing is this 2459. There is no need of addition or doing anything, children. You just have to use your brain and find out the number which is missing and fill in the blank with that number. Now how can we say that 2459 plus 1813 is equals to 1813 plus 2459? How? With the help of commutative. Yes, children, with the help of commutative property. Now what does commutative property say? Commutative property says that no, even though the order of the numbers is changed, the sum remains the same. Let us cross check. Okay, the first part was 2459 plus 1813. What will this be equal to? 9 plus 3 becomes 12, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 4 plus 8 12, 1 carried, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. Okay, 4272. Now coming to the second part, 1813 plus 2459. Again 3 plus 9 becomes 12, 1 carried, 1 plus 1 becomes 2, 2 plus 5 becomes 7, 8 plus 4 becomes 12, 1 carried, 1 plus 1 becomes 2, 2 plus 2 becomes 4. Yes, children, do you see this? The sum of both the additions is same. So we can say that 2459 plus 1813 is equal to 1813 plus 2459. With the help of what? With the help of commutative property. Yes, children? Yes, with the help of commutative property. Now look at the next question. 4597 plus 1591 is equals to dash plus 4597. Again, look at here, we are having 4597 here already. Now which number is missing? This. So we'll write 1591 in this blank space, and that will be our correct answer. Understood, children? Yes, this is very easy, right? Just look at the number and then look at the question and write the number which is missing. Again, coming to question number C. See, 9251 plus 123 plus 111 is equals to 111 plus 9251 plus dash. See, we are having 9251 on both sides, and we are having 111 as well. Now which number do we not have? We don't have 123. So we'll write 123 here. Again, now this is what? This is our associative property. This is our associative property. Yes, there are 3 numbers. Yes, 3 numbers and their groups are changed. So this becomes the associative property. Moving on to the fourth question. 2115 plus 222 plus 1134 is equals to 1134 plus dash plus 222. Again, 1134 on both sides. We are having 222 as well. The number missing is 2153. Write it in the blank here. Yes, that will be it. Now, coming to the question number E. See, this has become a little tricky. There is a blank given on both the sides. Yes, there is a blank given on both the sides. Now, how do we solve this? If we see 4169 is present on both the sides. Yes, is present on both the sides. Now, this 783 is not here. Is not on the right side. Yes, so we will write 783 here. Now 783 is also present on both sides. Now 241 is present on the right side but not on the left side. So we'll write 241 here. So 241 is also present on both the sides. Understood, children? This question? Yes, what did we do? I'm sorry, this went forward. Yeah. What did we do? We looked for the number which was missing on both the sides. Which was missing on one of the sides. Yes, so missing on one of the sides and then filled it up. Question number F. 5248 plus 0 is equals to dash. And again, now which property is this? This is our additive property of 0. Additive property of 0. What does it say? Whenever we add a number to the 0, or whenever we add 0 to a number, or we add number to a 0, the answer will be the number itself. Yes, the answer will be the number itself. 5248 plus 0 can be written as 0 plus 5248, which is again further equal to 5248 only. See, no matter, as we are adding 0 in both the cases, the answer will be the number only. Yes? Yes. Now moving on to question number G. 6435 plus 0 is equals to 0 plus dash. Now again, this is also from the additive property of 0. Now look at here, we are having 0 on both the sides. Now which number is missing on the right side? This 6435. So we can say that 6435 plus 0 is equals to 0 plus 6435. And what will the answer be, children? The answer will be the number itself, which is 6435. Clear, students? Yes, we learnt about 3 properties of addition today. Commutative, associative and additive property of 0. Now is the time for homework problems. See, there are a few questions given here on the screen. You can pause the screen or take a screenshot of this, or again pause the video and write it down in your notes and solve the problems. Okay, we'll discuss the answers tomorrow.